When it's come to drone, DJI one of the name that's always come to our mind, and that's because DJI one of the leading drone maker in the market. They make one of the best drone, and likewise they released their new DJI Mavic 3 Pro and Mavic 3 Cine. Both drone features triple camera setup from Hasselblad. The upgraded 166mm tele-camera lens has 12 megapixel of camera sensor with 3.4 aperture, offers 7x optical zoom, and it capable of high resolution up to 4K 60fps video recording. Third camera is the new 70mm medium tele lens that supports 3x optical zoom up to 48 megapixel resolution, and it can shoot 4K 60fps footage. And the main camera is a wide-angle 24mm 20 megapixel of Hasselblad camera lens with 2.8 aperture. It's capable of capturing 4K 60fps high-resolution video, and all three camera is capable of recording Apple ProRes for premium color fidelity. For amazing storytelling and gorgeous video shots, this DJI Mavic 3 Pro capable of 5.1K 50fps, 4K 120fps and 10-bit D-Log footage, HLG and night shots, hyperlapse and many more recording capability. For capturing high-res video, you need lot of space, so the Cine version comes with 1 TB of inbuilt storage. It has omnidirectional obstacle sensing technology APAS 5.0 and up to 43 minutes of max flight time and 15 km of HD video transmission. That's pretty awesome. With 180p 60fps, the DJI Mavic 3 Pro has AI integrated preset directional technology for cinematic drone shot. It has object tracking features. With all of these features for a visual storyteller, it will be a gem. And the starting price of this DJI Mavic 3 Pro 2200 price range without any additional accessories. And that's all about DJI Mavic 3 Pro. Thanks for watching the video. See you in the next one. Stay safe, stay fit, and don't forget to subscribe the channel.
It sucks when you finally feel like giving up. Oh God, no luck. Everything feels like you're sticky stuck. I'm lost, handcuffed to the bed where I sleep. Don't give a fuck, can't stop. Unplug, feeling overwhelmed. I think I've had enough. Gotta find a way to get some energy. Gotta find someone who's a good friend of me. I need purpose to make it all worth it. I'm still searching and I'm still learning. I want a life that's filled with memories, not a life with regret in front of me. I need focus to keep me from hopeless psychosis if I keep moping.